Hi friends, today we are going to learn in the earlier city lesson in history page number 24. So let us be started. Now first we are going to learn how they found the city. So let us learn now. So two boys were playing cricket and they noticed some haunted house is near them. Haunted house means it is a type of ghost house. Okay, it's a type of ghost house, but it's not to the ghost will be there. Okay, now next, so the both boys called archaeologists, and the minister made all the arrangements, and they paid how much ever they need, everything. The minister did for the archaeologist for researching about the Harappa. So now let us go to the story of the Harappa. Can you see me? Okay, can you see my handwriting? Now let's get started. So now often the old building have a story to tell. So every old buildings have the stories. Even Mysore Palace also have the stories. There were many rooms has been locked and many things has been locked, which we can only be roaming around the hall type. We cannot go inside in any rooms, right? So in that many places even happening that, even Taj Mahal also, every places you cannot go. You can go only some places, and you cannot, if you go also, you cannot go deeply inside and do those types of things. Okay, now so many old buildings have many stories to tell to us. Now nearly 150 years ago. What means 150 years ago? 150 years ago. So when the railway lines were begin done of the first time in Punjab, when the time was the first time in the, so how many days it took to find the trains, that this many, that time only the first time they found railway lines in Punjab. Okay, now I am going to directly to the topic of bricks. My handwriting is little this, but don't care. Okay, bricks. Now we'll go for bricks. So bricks. So bricks were high quantity. What was there? High quantity. It was high quantity type of bricks. High quantity means good qualities, that it's good. It is good and it was proper and it was very strong. High quality bricks. Okay. So they carried thousand of bricks. Thousand of bricks they carried. Okay. Thousand of bricks they carried. For what you think? Thousand of bricks from the wall of building of a city to build railway lines. Even the walls were strong. The walls were strong because the bricks were very high quality. Okay. Now next we go to next point. It was completely destroyed. Means completely means I'll explain and I'll give you the meaning of this. Completely. Yeah, completely destroyed. So completely means it's fully. Suppose if you take classwork, you will say, ma'am, I have incomplete, right? If we'll say, ma'am, if we are absent, we'll say, ma'am, we have incomplete. Incomplete means we have not wrote fully. Even from that, is completely means fully. Everything has been destroyed. Destroyed means breaking into. Even earthquake will come means the buildings will fall down. That is all destroying, getting hurts to other. That this many things will happen. That is called destroyed. Okay. Now, then about 80 years ago. What years? 80 years. 80 years ago. 80 years ago, archaeologists found the site. After 18 years they were researching and then only they found that site. Okay. Then only they found that site. Okay. Then that time only they found the site. Okay. And realized that this way was only one of the oldest. So what they understand it means Harappa. Harappa was the oldest city. So the archaeologists understand that Harappa was the oldest place. Okay, it is very old. The first city, it was the first city, was very old. Okay, and now next we are coming for next part, as this was the first city to be discovered. What was it? The first city. First city. It was first city. I forgot R to add. Okay. First city to be discovered. So, first city to be discovered was Harappa. What was the place name? It was Harappa. So, I'll repeat you for you again. The first city to be discovered was Harappa. Okay. Now we'll go for next point. So, next point. Okay. Now we'll go for next point. What is next point means? All other sites were built similarly and other things were described as Harappa. So they found many things. They found many things over that place. Okay. They found many things in that place. Okay. Now let's go for next point. Now, this city developed about 4,000 years ago. Sorry, 4,700 years ago. So, development means, I'll explain you what is developed. So, development means, develop. What means development? Now, in early humans, the people were not knowing to speak, and they don't know how, even they don't know what's fire only. But now we know to use mobile, we know to use that, and we know how to cook and eat the food also. So development, our country is in a modern place, right? The country is in modern place. Okay, so it's a development. So it's the improvement of anything. Okay, the improvement of anything was only development. Now we'll go for next point. So what's the time? Okay, now we'll go for next point. The next point is, what was the special? What was the special. About, yeah, I'm getting confused. Special about these cities. What is the special about these cities? What was the specialist? So I am going to say what things were more done over there, and so the many of these cities were divided into two parts. What the two parts? Or more. It can be two parts, or it can be divided into more parts. We don't know about that. Okay. Now next we'll go. Okay. Usually the part of the west was smaller but higher. So remember that the west was smaller but higher. Sorry, larger. Yeah, higher. Oh my God. Yeah. West part was smaller but higher. Okay, now let us go for east. I'm explaining here directly. Okay, what is western? East part was larger but it was lower. Okay, even remember that. Remember, I am repeating for you again. West part is smaller but higher, and east part is larger but lower. It was lower. Okay. Now archaeologists discover this as the Citadel. Okay, so archaeologists discovered that. Okay. Now, so Citadel. Now we go for next point. Generally, the parts of east was larger, but east was called. Even remember that east was called Lower Town. What was the east called? Lower Town. Yeah, Lower Town. So east was called Lower Town. Now, very often walls of baked bricks were built around each part. So what's the meaning of baked bricks? Baked bricks means baked means strong bake. If you will keep oven and you will take the bake, right? That time also they had a type of thing to bake them. To bake them. Okay. And the baked bricks makes the wall stronger. Makes the wall stronger. In each part. Okay, not only in Harappa, in each part, in each city, the baked bricks are only used also. Even remember that. Okay. Now, the bricks were so well baked that they have lasted for 1,000 years. How many years? 1,000 years. 1,000 years. Yeah, 1,000 years. Yeah, 1,000 years. Remember that it was lasting for 1,000 years. Now, let's go for next point. Yeah, we'll go for next point. Now, even I'll repeat it again that that will be for 1,000 years. It lasts for 1,000 years. Okay. The bricks were laid in interlocking pattern that have made the wall strong. They had interlocking pattern. Interlocking pattern to make the wall strong. Okay. To make the wall strong. Okay, now in cities, special buildings were constructed on citadels. So very special buildings were in citadels. For example, Mohenjo-daro. So keep the name. So many questions will come based on these names only. If you understand how it was, how the city was, and how what and all was there, and what was special, many questions are will be, ma'am can even give you own also. So if you know the names and what were their special, you can know. A very special tank. So very special tank. Remember that, okay? Mohenjo-daro very special tank. Now, very special tank, which archaeologists called Great Bath. Now, Great Bath. Tank means, means if you see bathtubs. Bathtubs will be very big, even we can sleep and take bath. So that type of only it will be tank. So even bigger than that, if you see swimming pool, but swimming pool are made up of, it will be made up of bricks. It will be made, but it has been covered with tiles. So it looks different. But in olden days, they were not having tiles. So they used with the stones, bricks. In that only they made the things. Okay. Remember the big tank is but great bath. In end of the after I'll send after this I will ask you questions. Okay. Now this was lined with bricks coated with plasters. So that time only plasters were there. They coated the bricks with plasters. I don't know what they made reason they plasters. If we go through the lesson, we'll get it. Now let us start. And made water tight with a lane natural tar. There were so they had two sides. So in one home they will be having two sides. Notice that, okay? Two sides. Now, two sides. While there were rooms on all sides. So what were there? Mostly rooms. So remember, rooms were there. Okay. Now, rooms were there. Water were probably brought in the form a well. What from where they'll get water? Well. Remember, well, trains. Well, drains. Okay. Out after you. Important people look and dip in the tank for special occasions. For what only? They in the great bath is made of special occasions. Okay, special occasions only they made great bath. Okay, other countries like Kali Bhavan, sorry, Bangal, Kali Bhagan, and so wait, I'll type again. And Lothar. Why these both cities are most important means fire altars. Fire altars. They have found their fire altars. Okay. Now let's go for next topic. What is fire altars? Okay, what is fire altars means? The place where they'll do what they can say. They will kill the people for God and all. You sacrifice their life. Okay, so that is called Kali Bhavan. Now, where sacrifice many of having performed. and some cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothar are, so it has double, so it has more storage. So keep it, remember, it has more storage. Okay, what and all means Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Lothar has more storage, double storage houses, that like you can take now. So bye bye my friends. Today this much is only my class. Next Wednesday I'll do half of them. Okay, bye. Class bye.